Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Measure ingredients precisely. Use 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup whole milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 7 grams active dry yeast for a standard batch. Add 1 large egg, 50 grams softened butter, and a pinch of salt to enrich texture and flavor. Warm the milk to 37 degrees C, about body temperature, before combining so the yeast activates. If milk is hotter than 43 degrees C, you risk killing the yeast. Prepare a bowl and a clean towel to cover the dough while it proofs. Combine the warmed milk, yeast, sugar, egg, and half the flour, then add butter and remaining flour gradually. Knead by hand or mixer for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. It should pass the window pane test. Lightly oil a bowl, place the dough inside, cover with a clean towel, and proof in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes until doubled in size. If the dough feels sticky, add flour 1 tablespoon at a time until it becomes manageable but still soft. Punch down the risen dough and turn it onto a floured surface, then divide into 12 equal pieces for standard-sized Zim buns. Shape each piece into a tight ball, place on a parchment-lined tray, and allow a second proof for 30 minutes so the buns puff up. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees C, 375 degrees F. Brush each bun with egg wash for color, then bake for 18 to 22 minutes until golden brown. Cool slightly on a rack and serve warm with butter or jam. These buns are best the same day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.